Track Home Solution, and today we are learning about the smart lock. Smart lock uses batteries, AA batteries, as you can see. So it uses a AA battery. You can use a LED or any other AA. So also this lock has a connection wire at the back. So you connect it at the back so that you can transfer information. This. So connect. Connect it like that. Then you are ready to go. So our smart lock, if you want to open this lock, you can use the cards. You can use the cards, right, like this one.
Unbox. Please add administrator for your security.
So these cards, you can use it to open it.
Locked.
You can use keys here. Like that. You can open using keys. Also, you can use fingerprints.
Unlocked. Please add administrator for your security.
And also, you can use
Locked.
password.
Unlocked. Please add administrator for your security.
So those are different types of opening this lock.
Locked.
Another thing, it uses it has administrator, users, and the card. So you can use password as administrator, you can use card as administrator, and the fingerprints. And then another part is that you can add users up to 100 users. You can register them and then be at the admin. That's all.